So, hey y'all, today we're doing slick back ponytail. Starting out, you'll need like some styling gel, some got to be glue, a brush, and a comb, rubber bands, or ponytails, whatever you pull your hair with. But today we're doing this style on slick hair, like not slick hair, but straight hair or whatever. So yeah, right now we're combing it out just so we can have it more smooth for the style. So I'm going for a side part. You can do whatever part you want, whatever side you like. I'm gonna do a side part. You're gonna see me mess with this part for a little while because I nobody wanna walk around with no cricket part. If you do, then that's what you prefer, okay? So right here, I'm parting off the front part because it's way easier for me to pull my ponytails like this. I seen a girl do it like this before, not exactly like it, but she did do it, and that's where I got this from. But I don't remember her name. So yeah, but this helps me. So you want to part that off, and we're gonna come back. Right now, we're gonna pull the back part first into a ponytail, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys how I do the front part. So right now I'm just getting the layout of how I want it. If I want to bring it over more, if I want to do it to the other side, stuff like that. But um, I well now I'm gonna use gel and got to be glue. I lay my edges first because that's just what I do. But I mean, you can start however you want to start. So as I'm looking, I did not like that. It looked weird. It looked like a circle, if you know what I mean. I don't know. It just looked weird. So I'm gonna go back and redo my part, slide it over a little bit, fix it back up how I like it, cause I ain't like that one. So I have 3 rubber bands for the first ponytail, and right now I'm about to start applying the gel. First, you want to part off, or you can, if you want to, you can part off the top part how I am because I want it to lay a certain way. I want to like gel it a little bit different so that it'll like lay over where I did my edges. If you understand that, I don't know, but I just feel like it looks better. It blends a little bit better. I don't know. It's really my first time doing it this way. Like I've done it many different ways, but I feel like this looks good this way. It's easy. You just want to keep brushing. I keep brushing. You're going to see me keep brushing. I'm going to be doing the top part and I'm going to still be brushing that side. I don't know. You just want to make sure that it's smooth. And I usually use a blow dryer, but it wasn't beside me, so I didn't use it. But you can. I usually do, but it did pretty good without it. So moving along to the top part. Oh, not yet top. Brush back over that part. I guess I don't know. I did, but for the front part, honey, yes, and cause I used to could not pull no sleep back ponytail, but I can now. Anyway, brush comb the top part towards the front of your forehead so that you can get your swoop. Everybody don't do it like this, but I do. I think it's easy. But you can comb it out to the front, and the parts that are more towards the back go towards the back, and go towards the side. Just go with the flow. But now I'm finna start brushing that side again. I'm gonna mix the GotToBe glue and gel. Now I'm gonna apply the gel, and I'm gonna brush like in a like towards my forehead. You see? Just keep brushing down, applying a whole lot. I messed up, but anyway. And I use this brush. I'm like, I probably like this brush is broke, girl. Yes, it is. My hair broke it once before, but it worked good, and it's smooth, and it make it lay way better to me. But apply the gel all over. Make sure you get close to your part because you don't want no frizzy parts. But just apply gel all over and just keep brushing. I was using this brush, but this brush was hurting. Like, it was hard. And I was like, nah, we're going to have to go back to the other brush. It works good too, but that brush hurt. And I am tired. My arms are hurting. So, yeah, just keep brushing. And I could have got my swoop way more out, but my arms were tired and I just was not going for it. But I just keep on brushing, and I use my toothbrush to like smooth it more, like the little parts that won't like, that little part right there. But I just use it, smooth it, add more gel, keep on brushing. But yeah, so I went ahead and brushed it into the ponytail, and I tied it down, and this is the finished look. I did my makeup off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.
It don't take much, a little affection, and some of your time. That's all that I'm asking for. Feels like this dream will never come true.